a limited edition
First blush. And they have the cutest, like, little gifty things. And then they have iced tea. And here is all the iced tea that you can choose from. And you can buy tea here too.
Tea bushes from China and India to pinehurst where the plants flourish. That's because this area.
If you do Sunday, it doesn't have as much.
Don't worry.
Cool little place.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah. Didn't know so much about tea before I got here, but it's nice.
It's nice and it was free.
Yeah, be sure to wear mosquito spray.
I was getting bit.
I think I'm down about a quart. But no, it's really pretty. Really
Yeah.
nice place. Very cool.
Very cool.
Inexpensive too. Unless you buy a whole bunch of stuff in the shop.
Yeah. You can take the trolley. We didn't do that.
And it's a quick hit. It's not like you're gonna spend an hour here with unless you take the trolley, and that's even not that long. I don't know.
Right. Right. All
Yeah.
right. You're fine.
Yeah.
That's it. There's the trolley. I got the whole hog sandwich with pork rinds and collard greens. And Brian got the whole hog with hush puppies and baked beans and chicken wings and an IPA. And he's gonna get me banana pudding. And then I got the banana pudding.